Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back to another video. Today I'm doing a little holiday hairstyle, something new I haven't tried in a while. And yeah, this is the flat twist and curl. So I hope you guys enjoy. But this video is super special because it is a collab. I have two special girls in this collab, me and these curls. I'm gonna insert her picture right here. She's super informative on natural hair and always has the science behind it. You know, when it comes to natural hair, we don't know what's really going on in there, so check out her channel for sure. And then we have Shay Jenny. She's a naturalista from the Virgin Islands, and she has tons of hair tutorials and everything in her channel. Like, she posts all the time too, so you'll never get bored. So definitely check out these two girls, and I'll have their descriptions down below. So let's get right into this flat twist and curl. Okay, so I just washed my hair and deep conditioned it. If you want to see my wash day routine, I'll put it up above. That's basically all I just did, and I detangled, and now I'm getting to work. So today's victim for this flat twist and curl is simply just the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I totally forgot I had this in my stash, and apparently I love it because I mean it's almost gone, but I just couldn't find it. Really happy I found this. I'm using this by itself, really. You'll also just need some perm rods. Doesn't matter the size. I like the small gray ones for this. And yeah, so right now I just did regular twist in the back only because it hurts my arms to like flat twist all the way down. So I thought I'd just save some time and energy and just do regular twist in the back. And now I'm gonna start doing the front and the flat twist forward motion just to get some body and just so my parts can lay and be nice and fluffy. Hopefully, I haven't done a flat twist and curl in years, so hopefully it's simple and it comes out really cute. We'll see. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so you just want to section off the front diagonally and start flat twisting from the back forward. So I'm just putting in the twist and shout cream and detangling over and over again, and then I start twisting. If you don't know how to flat twist and want like a step-by-step tutorial from me, let me know down below. But if not, there are tons of videos on YouTube about it, and it is really simple once you get the hang of it, of course, and practice makes perfect. Alright, here I am all done, and now it's time to put on the rollers. So I'm taking the ends and twisting them around the perm rod and bringing it up a little bit, and then I'm going to twist the twist against itself, if that makes sense, and pin it down to my head. This just really secures it down for when I sleep, and also helps it not to get poofy right there at the end of the twist. That really bothers me, so this helped, I would say. So as you can see, they're all pinned down, and now I'm just showing you how I went out because I had to go somewhere to get some food. So I'm just showing you a way you can like hide your rollers. Here we are the next morning, all dolled up. I actually filmed this makeup look for you all, so that video will be coming soon. But anyways, I'm taking out all my rollers. I'm just kind of yanking at them. And I'm rubbing the L'Oreal oil on my hands as usual, and I'm taking down my first flat twist. So as you can see, eventually, the definition is amazing with this twist and curl. The ends I don't like as much. Now, I'm not sure if that's like a not enough product thing or my ends need love thing, but I just gotta trim. So I'm just gonna say maybe I needed more product in the ends, or maybe even a dab of gel would have helped, because I don't like how those came out a little too frizzy for me. But as you can see, the roots are amazing. The flat twist definitely took on the roots for sure. So here are the results. I am not like crazy about this style. I think my ends would have looked better if I just did without the curler, the perm rod. You know, from afar, it's not too bad. Definition is definitely there. It's just these ends. I'm not crazy about the ends. Flat twist and curl might not be for me. Oh, but you know, once you put your makeup on, your dress on, you're gonna look cute, girl. You're gonna look cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you try the flat twist and curl and have any tips for me, let me hear them. I'm all for trying new things and doing it the better way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out those 2 channels I told you about earlier in the video. This is a collab. Those girls are phenomenal, and their links will be down in the description box, so make sure you check them after this one. Happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.